Hey everyone, welcome to this quick yet comprehensive guide on how to adjust the price for a product variant in Wix. If you're selling products with different options, like sizes or colors, and you want to charge more for, say, an extra large t-shirt, you'll want to know exactly how to set that up. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently update your store so shoppers see the right price for each option. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is basically your command center for everything related to your website. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left menu. You're going to find a section called My Business. Go ahead and give that a click, and then select Wix Stores. This area is where all the magic happens for your online shop. Now, you'll see an option labeled Manage Products. Click on that. Here, you'll find a list of every product you currently have for sale. This is super useful because you can quickly glance at your inventory and make adjustments as needed. Locate the specific product you want to update. Maybe it's a shirt or a mug, then hover over it and click Edit Product. This brings up the product details page where you can fine-tune how your product appears to customers. Scroll down until you see the section that says Add Product Options. This is a really important step because creating variants means you can offer your customers different choices, like size, color, or material. For our example, let's set up a size option. Click to add an option and then type size. Under that, you'll now want to list the specific sizes you're offering. Type in small, press enter, then medium, and finally large. Each of these is now a variant, a different version of your product that you can customize. When you're finished, click Add. It's okay to take a moment here. If you need to add more or realize you want to call it XL instead of large, you can come back and edit these choices anytime. Once you've set up your options, scroll up to find the Inventory and Pre-order section. This is where you can manage not just stock levels, but also unique pricing, SKUs, and more for each individual variant. Look for the button that mentions variants. A lot of times it'll say something like, Go to Variants. Click on that. Here's where the real customization happens. For each variant, say small, medium, and large, you can now set individual prices. Maybe a large shirt costs a few dollars more because it uses extra fabric. Just type in the adjusted price next to the size you want to change. This ensures that your customers will see the correct price the moment they choose their option on your product page, avoiding confusion and saving you extra steps down the road. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to hit Apply and then continue to save everything. And that's it. Your Wix store is now set up so that product variants have the right pricing. Don't worry if you need to experiment a bit or adjust later. Wix makes it easy to come back and fine-tune details as your store grows. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have more questions. I'm here to help. And of course, subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Wix store.